Hello viewers, are you experiencing Facebook comments not showing problem? Here you can see showing this error most relevant is selected, so some comments may have been filtered out. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's start. For fixing this problem, first of all, take a screenshot of this problem and then close this page. Now press and hold on Facebook apps and then open Facebook app info. Now go to storage option and then clear cache your Facebook storage. Now go back to home screen, go to Play Store and then search for Facebook and update your Facebook apps in latest version. After completing update process, now open Facebook and tap on three-line icon. Now go to settings and privacy option and then go to settings option. Now scroll down and go to followers and public content option. Here you can see show most relevant comment first. Just turn off this option and then again tap on three-line icon. Now tap on help and support option and then tap on report problem. Tap on continue to report a problem. Now tap on include option. Now select your topics and then here describe your issue in details. After describe your issue, now upload your problem screenshot. After upload your problem screenshot, now send your report. After this step, your problem will be solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.